Today I am going to talk about one of the most mysterious security features on the iPhone, the lockdown mode. Many people see this option in their settings but have no idea what it does. So in this video I will explain what lockdown mode is, what it does, who should use it, and I will also enable it live on my iPhone so you can see exactly how it works. Before we begin, if you enjoy iPhone tips and tricks, hidden features, please like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station. So let's get started. What is lockdown mode? Lockdown mode is Apple's highest level of security protection. It was introduced to help protect users from highly sophisticated cyber attacks and advanced spyware. Unlike normal security features that protects everyone, lockdown mode is especially designed for people who may be targeted by professional attackers. For example, journalists, activists, government officials, top level executives, and high profile celebrity individuals. Apple says the most users will probably never need this feature. However, it's available on every modern iPhone for anyone who wants maximum protection. So, what does lockdown mode do? When lockdown mode is enabled, iPhone intentionally restricts certain functions that attackers could potentially exploit. For example, messages. Some attachment types are blocked. Certain message previews may not function normally. FaceTime. Calls from people you have never contacted before may be blocked. Safari. Some advanced web technologies are disabled. This helps reduce the risk of malicious websites exploiting vulnerabilities. Weird connections. When your iPhone is locked, certain weird connections are restricted. This helps prevent physical attack attempts. Configuration profiles. Some configuration profiles and management features are limited. All of these restrictions exist for one reason: to reduce the number of ways an attacker could potentially compromise your device, your privacy, and your security. So, should you enable it? For most people, probably not. There are trade offs. Some websites may not work perfectly. Certain attachments might not open. Some communication features become more restrictive. If you are an average phone user who mainly uses social media, YouTube, messaging apps, and email, the standard iPhone security protections are already very strong. However, if you believe you could be a target of sophisticated attacks, lockdown mode provides an additional layer of defense. Now, time for live demonstration. Now, I will enable the feature on my iPhone. First, I need to go to settings. Then, scroll down. I am tapping privacy and security. Then again at the bottom of the screen there is lockdown mode. I need to turn on the lockdown mode. Here Apple is telling me the unavailable features in lockdown mode details. Now I need to turn on lockdown mode. Okay, my phone will now restart, and after that lockdown mode will be activated. Okay, time to enter my passcode. Okay, so you need your passcode even to enable this lockdown mode. My iPhone is restarting. Once the device power backs on, the lockdown mode will be active. You can return to this menu anytime to disable if it's necessary. Certainly, this is very impressive. Lockdown mode is one of the most powerful security features Apple has ever added to the iPhone. For most users, it's not necessary, but it's reassuring that if maximum protection is ever needed, your iPhone has already built in inside. What do you think? Would you enable lockdown mode on your iPhone? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more iPhone tips, tricks and hidden features. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.